Your body replaces most cells. Yet you remain the same person. At a microscopic level, you are in constant flux.
Every second, millions of cells perish, replaced instantly by new life.
Your skin renews every month.
Your stomach lining regenerates in mere days. But the turnover is not universal. Certain brain cells endure for a lifetime.
These permanent structures preserve your memories.
These permanent structures preserve your memories, anchoring your identity within the shifting tide.
You are more than human. Bacteria outnumber your own cells.
The body is not a fixed object. It is a system in perpetual repair. It rebuilds itself every day, silently, without you ever noticing.